Hi, in this video, you're going to learn how to use MsgBox. So here's the code. Show a message, type this out. Right, let me just do it again, show you. So to start that, I'll start with the go to developer tab, Visual Basic. And right here, I'll start with this sub, show a message. Okay. And after that, I'll just type MsgBox followed by a bracket. Then I can type in some value, right? So I can just say hi, right? And then close bracket. And this is the simplest form of MsgBox. I just press run and it shows the word hi. So now what if I want to combine with this wording here, C3 here? So I can just type in here hi and join with the using the ampersand, join it with whatever the values find in cell C3. So to type in that, I just type in cell C3 dot value, and I just run this button again, right? And you can see that it's now high can now. But notice that there is no space here. So how we can have that? Well, one way is that we can put a space here, right? Or you can have type it like this. So put a space. Okay, so I can run this. I can see that's high can low. Now what if we want to put the high can low in the other line, right? You can use that VBCRLF, right? This is a code. Just right there and run this code, right? That's what I mean, high can low. So we have done this, and we run this code, right? You can see that there is there's a title, but there's no value there. So we can change that as well. So I'll just copy this. I'll show you another one. I just come we have put there too. I'll just put there high in comma. So the other will be just this comma, and that's a title, high a MsgBox example. Okay, that's it. So then you can show this, run this code, right? And now what's different is where I put this insertion point here and I just run it, and you can see that this is the title that match this. Click OK. Thanks for watching.